How to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. Before we start, I would request that you smash the like button right now. Um, Basically, a featured photo on Facebook is when you click on your profile, it should appear right when you open it. But if you don't have a featured photo, you just click on Edit Public Details. You go down below, and here you see a featured photo. You click Try It, and you can select the photo. If this doesn't appear for you, there's at least a few things you can do. The first thing is going on the App Store, typing in Facebook, and you want to make sure that you actually have Facebook, not Facebook Lite, and you want to make sure that there's no update here. Whether you are on an Android and you have Google Play, or an iPhone like me and you have iTunes, is the same thing. The next thing you can do is you go on settings, you click on general, then you go over to iPhone storage, you click that, and you want to find Facebook and you want to offload it to kind of reset the app. So this is everything you can do. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and like the video. See you in the next video. Bye.